accept the river, the project near Mandela National Stadium, renovation and the upgrade works. We have moved from first fix works, that is all the mechanical and electrical works, first fix, and then the civil works. As I talk now, our coverage is around 72%. Civil works are all done, then mechanical and electrical works are around 68%. As I talk now, the major works have been remaining are fixtures. Fixtures include fitting chairs, fitting fitting all these other electrical materials, the plumbing materials, but we have all of them in store. Fellow cadres, I promise that UPDF is really very ready to deliver this project on time and within the allowed cost. We shall not ask for any extra works, we shall work within the money which is allowed for the work.